Page 63, we have Adventures and Warm-Up in C and Adventures and Warm-Up in G. On page 62, they're doing some silly little games with vanilla and chocolate, and have fun with that. I don't cover that. But for the warm-ups, and I originally wasn't even going to do a video on this page, but I thought I'm covering the book, and okay, that's fine. This is the last page in the book, but if we have anything, I better cover it. It's not really an adventure and warm-up. They're using adventure, I'm sure, because that's in the title of the book, adventure. The point is, it helps to warm up some people. And we are currently using these 5-finger scales to warm up. And we've had the key of C here. And lately, then the key of G, sort of. You can use these as warm-ups. I personally prefer to use scales because you're going to need those in the pieces no matter how far you advance. The scales will take you there. These will take you only to a point. I would use the C major scale to warm up. And the G major scale to warm up. You want to start doing the G major scale video. Just keep in mind you got an F sharp in there. You got to use that instead of the natural. And that's how I do it. And then they also cover the chords. You got for the C major, you got the block chords, the 1 chord or the tonic. 5/7 or the dominant 7. Learn to call these either one. And then the tonic. And then for the G major at the bottom, you have the tonic or the 1 chord again, the G chord. And the 5/7 chord or the dominant 7th chord. And then the tonic again. They put the Roman numerals in between the staffs. That's really not where they belong. They belong underneath the bottom staff. Was where the Roman numerals should go. Oh well, whatever. I'm not really going to play these. You can do these on your own, but I wanted to talk about them.